All right. So you said initially that some tales of yours, some folklore like Soni Mahiwal and Heer Ranjha were your inspirations as well. And I think on that point, we have Brigadier Chaudhary with us, who has in fact been to the village of Soni Mahiwal and is well versed with that entire legendary tale. So we'd love to hear a few words from you now, if you will, please.
Okay, now it so happened that in 1980, I got posted to Akhnur, and my engineer regiment, we all are engineers who are here in Shamim also. And by the way, we've been together since 1959, all the people present here, and as engineers and in the combat also. So I got posted as the commanding officer of 108 Engineer Regiment, which was at Akhnur. And one of the main tasks given to us was to demine the area near the border and coming backwards up to the Akhnur bridge. And demining means that we had laid mines to prevent Pakistanis coming in, and Pakistanis, when they got in 65, they also had laid a lot of mines. And unfortunately, with the Chenab and Manavar Tawi getting flooded, the mines all went helter-skelter. And we have a record system, and that record system all went haywire. So we had to do very painstakingly to remove the mines, because one blast would have killed a couple of people, as you've been reading the newspapers also, of vehicles going over mines and personnel going over mines and so on. So in our process, coming backwards from the border, we came across a particular village which was on the east bank of River Chenab. And as a commanding officer, job is to go around and see how the people are doing. So, and I am a little inquisitive to find out, okay, what's the speciality of all these villages on the border? So not talking about the others, but talking about this particular village, which was Hamirpur Sidha. It was called Hamirpur Sidha. And I inquired from there, and then one of the old chaps said, this village is famous for the story of Soni Mahiwal. So I said, you must be joking. So he said, no, we've got the ancestors. Then he took me around, some old people and all. And then I heard from various people, little different versions, but the thing was that Soni was there in Hamirpur Sidha. So that got very interesting. The word spread out in the division, and I think everybody started making trips there and getting photographed in that particular place where a little memorial of hers is also there. But the main tomb is somewhere else of hers. And then across the river, which was in Pakistan itself, there was a Hamirpur Kona village. So of course, we couldn't go there. But during the 71 operations, I happened to visit Chicken Neck area, as they called it. And then we saw this village of Hamirpur Kona also there, where again, another engineer regiment which I had served in was also being operated there. So from Hamirpur Sidar, which is about 100 meters, 150 meters from the bank, eastern bank, you could see Hamirpur Kona. And that's the place where Izzat Beg, and then later on called Mahiwal, came and settled there. And he was, of course, coming from Uzbekistan, and then didn't go back after seeing Soni. And so Soni was in Hamirpur Sidar, and this chap was in Hamirpur Kona. So, and Hamirpur Kona is about 200 meters on the western bank of Chenab. So that is the love story, and they used to go across in the picture. But I'll not go over the whole story, because that's Shamim's privilege. Anti-Russ. Bye-bye.
Thank